Welcome to Forum in Focus. I'm here with the Broadband User Services Co-Director, Jason Wall. So Jason, we're thinking a lot about USP at this meeting, the User Services Platform. Can you tell us a little bit about what it is?
Well, the User Services Platform is a protocol and an architecture that allows service providers or application developers or even consumer electronics developers to manage, deploy, and control all of the equipment and devices that end users in the new connected world would have in their home network or on the go, in a lot of the same style as TR69.
You mentioned TR69, obviously it exists and it's been a very successful protocol. So how does this evolve TR69?
Well, it's kind of the natural evolution. And we started USP conceptually as kind of the 2.0 version of TR69. And it's doing a couple of things differently. It's making things a little bit more lightweight for use in more types of devices, things that might not have as many resources. And it's also allowing multi-tenant control and management. And what that means is that in TR69 you have one control server called an ACS. And that ACS can tell a device to go talk to other ACSs if it really wants to, but it's really a one-to-one relationship. And what we're doing now is allowing this multi-tenant feature so that there are multiple controllers that could be controlling the same agent. And that agent may be virtual, it may be on a device. And that allows relationships to be built between over-the-top providers, between device manufacturers and the service providers. So we run into a situation now where in the IoT world, you have the consumer electronics world and the networking world sort of smashing together. And the CE world is dealing with issues that they've never had to really deal with before, but that the broadband world has dealt with for a while. And so this allows the end user to get a good experience, because the things that, if something's not working, the correct people will be able to handle it. And the data model of TR69 we're reusing, and that data model is very robust and has a lot of aspects of networking that we have developed over time that we really, really understand, and that allows us to give that advantage to the consumer electronics world.
And it seems like there's a lot of advantages throughout the chain for this then.
Oh yes, incredibly. And some of the biggest use cases that we're seeing the need for USP are the same use cases that we saw for TR69 10 years ago, just to a much wider audience.
Jason, thank you very much for your time on Forum in Focus.
No problem.